Crash course on El Salvador. Geolocation. El Salvador is a small country located in Central America. It is bordered by Honduras to the northeast, Guatemala to the northwest, and the Pacific Ocean to the south. Capital. The capital city of El Salvador is San Salvador. Population. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the population of El Salvador was around 6.4 million people. Economy. El Salvador's economy is based on services, industry, and agriculture. The country has made significant progress in recent years, with its economy growing steadily. Key industries include textiles, food processing, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and telecommunications. Education. Education in El Salvador is compulsory and free for children between the ages of 7 and 13. The country has made efforts to improve its education system, but challenges such as limited resources and high dropout rates still exist. Brief history. El Salvador has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. The region was inhabited by indigenous peoples such as the Lenca, Maya, and Pipil before the arrival of Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century. El Salvador gained independence from Spain in 1821 and experienced various political and social upheavals throughout the 19th and 20th centuries, including a civil war that lasted from 1980 to 1992. Culture. El Salvador's culture is a blend of indigenous and Spanish influences. The country is known for its vibrant arts and crafts, traditional music and dance, and delicious cuisine. Pupusas, a traditional Salvadoran dish made of thick corn tortillas filled with cheese, beans, or meat, are a popular culinary delight. Politics. El Salvador is a democratic republic with a multi-party system. The political landscape has been dominated by two major parties, the Nationalist Republican Alliance, ARENA, and the Farabundo Martí National Liberation Front, FMLN. However, political dynamics may have evolved since my last knowledge update in September 2021. Interesting stories, examples. One interesting story from El Salvador is the significance of Joya de Sarin. This archaeological site, often referred to as the Pompeii of the Americas, provides a unique glimpse into the daily life of the Maya civilization. Preserved by volcanic ash, the site offers a remarkable view of ancient houses, gardens, and even food stores, providing invaluable insights into the past. Top 12 attractions of El Salvador. 1. Joya de Sarin Archaeological Site. Explore the well-preserved ruins of an ancient Maya village. 2. Ruta de los Flores. Enjoy the scenic beauty of the Flower Route, a stretch of picturesque towns known for their vibrant flora. 3. Santa Ana Volcano. Hike to the top of this impressive volcano and witness breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. 4. El Boquerón National Park. Discover the impressive San Salvador volcano and its crater, now transformed into a beautiful natural reserve. 5. Suchitlán. Visit this charming colonial town known for its well-preserved architecture, cobbled streets, and vibrant arts scene. 6. Tazumal. Explore the ruins of Tazumal, an ancient Maya site featuring impressive pyramids and artifacts. 7. Lake Coatepeque. Relax by the stunning crater lake and indulge in water activities such as swimming, kayaking, and boating. 8. El Imposible National Park. Immerse yourself in the lush wilderness of this national park, home to diverse wildlife and stunning hiking trails. 9. Playa El Tunco. Experience the laid-back surf culture and pristine beaches of this popular coastal town. 10. Monte Cristo Cloud Forest. Trek through this misty cloud forest and discover its unique flora and fauna. 11. Suchitlán Lake. Admire the beauty of Suchitlán Lake, a serene body of water surrounded by lush forests and picturesque landscapes. 12. San Salvador. Explore the capital city, San Salvador, and visit its notable landmarks, such as the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace. Summary. El Salvador, located in Central America, is a country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse attractions. Its economy is driven by services, industry, and agriculture. Education is compulsory and free, although challenges remain. The country's history includes the ancient Maya civilization and a tumultuous period of civil war. El Salvador's culture is a blend of indigenous and Spanish influences, and its cuisine, arts, and traditional music are notable highlights. The political landscape is characterized by a multi-party system. Notable attractions include the Joya de Sarin Archaeological Site, Ruta de los Flores, Santa Ana Volcano, Suchitlán, and the beautiful lakes and national parks. El Salvador offers a range of experiences, from exploring ancient ruins to relaxing on pristine beaches. Poem. In the land of El Salvador, so bright, where nature's wonders take their flight, a tapestry of history unfolds. In stories, legends, and secrets untold. From ancient Maya's sacred grounds to Spanish conquistadors' resounding sounds, the past whispers through the air as vibrant cultures intertwine and share. Oh, El Salvador, your beauty profound. In mountains, volcanoes, and landscapes around. Hoya de Sarin, a preserved treasure, reveals the lives of those long gone, with pleasure. Ruta de los Flores, a colorful trail, where blossoms dance, and fragrances prevail. Santa Ana volcano stands tall and grand, offering vistas, as far as the eye can span. Suchitlán, a colonial gem so fine, with cobbled streets and arts divine. Tasumal's pyramids rise from the past, echoes of a civilization that will forever last. Coatepeque's tranquil lake, serene and deep, reflects the heavens, a dreamer's keep. El Impossible, a wild paradise, where nature thrives, untouched and wise. Surfing waves in El Tunco's embrace, a coastal haven, a sun-kissed grace. Monte Cristo's cloud forest, mystical and rare, where life unfolds in misty, verdant layers. Suchitlán Lake, a tranquil retreat, where nature and serenity meet. San Salvador, a vibrant heart, with history, art, and culture, a work of art. El Salvador, a land to explore, where adventure and beauty forever soar. With every step, a story unfolds. In this enchanting land, where wonders behold, endless landscapes and cultural delight, El Salvador shines with all its might. Embrace its charms, let your spirit roam, and create memories to call your own. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.